Hello students, now today we start our lesson number 9 from our grammar book, and the lesson is the preposition. Now you have already learned that prepositions are the words like at, in, on, of, etc. Now there are many kinds of prepositions. Now there some prepositions are used to show place or where something happens. So we use in, behind, under. Like the children were playing in the park. You look in this picture. My mother is in the garden. The cat is hiding behind an almirah. And the boys are playing under a big tree. Now there are some prepositions are used to show time or when something happens. The school starts at 7 a.m. No office opens on Sunday. We visited Shimla during the summer vacation. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November. Now some prepositions are used for special or other purpose. कुछ जो prepositions होते हैं वो special, कुछ main और कुछ अलग purpose के लिए use होते हैं. Like people have now started traveling by Delhi metro. We have chapati, dal and vegetable for dinner. Now prepositions are always followed by a noun or a noun phrase or a pronoun. तो ये आपको बताया गया है पहले भी कि जो prepositions होते हैं वो noun के द्वारा noun phrase और pronoun के साथ follow किए जाते हैं. Like you see in this table, my mother is sitting on the bed. The girls are hiding behind the rock. We visited the Jog Falls during the summer holidays. Many people travel by the metro every day, and everyone was staring at her. Now you look in this table. Here, study the prepositions that you use to show. अब अगर आपको place बताना है, position बतानी है या direction बताना है, so what are the prepositions we use for? For the place we use down, outside, inside, upon, under, on. Here position बतानी है between, opposite, behind, among, against. And direction बताना है तो over, across, through, up and after. Now some prepositions are made of a group of words. अब कुछ prepositions ऐसी होती हैं जो group of words से बनती हैं, like close to, in between, on behalf of या ahead of, away from, on board, on top of, in front of. Here next to, up to, all over या as far as. Now here you learn how to use with, by, of, for, to, about, into, besides, from. So here all the examples are given to you. Like Mr. Dev danced with his wife. Leave by the door to your right. What are you afraid of? What are you looking for? He is going to school just now. He is about to leave. He dived into a pool. Besides being rich, he is generous also. And we stopped her from exercising too much. Now learn some more prepositions. Prepositions used with some nouns. अब nouns के साथ जब इनको use करते हैं, what is the reason for his noise? Here reason is a noun. What is the cure for malaria? Congratulations on winning the first prize. What is the matter with you? And he is guilty of theft. Here you see some adjectives, prepositions with some adjectives. Like he is very kind to us. Girls were very fond of. He is very good at. She was proud of her beauty. I am interested in watching this movie. I am angry with you for your rude behavior. Your dress is covered with mud. Prepositions after verb. After verb, how we use prepositions? Like we were astonished at her success. He is charged with theft. We inquired about her health. He has failed in the examination. Apply for leave to the headmaster. He fought against his enemies. and Akbar ruled over a vast empire. Now, to look all these examples, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. So with the help of these help box, you fill all these sentences with suitable prepositions. Like Riya cuts the mango with a knife. This house was built into 1967. They usually go to gym on Monday. Arun is sitting in the classroom. Some people are waiting for bus. We go to bed at 8:30 p.m. They are talking about the poor people. The dog went inside the kennel. The train left without him. We visited the Mount Everest during the summer vacation. Now here go to the second question. Circle the preposition in the following sentences. So we circle the or underline the prepositions, like the train arrived on platform at right time. So here on and at, these two are prepositions. An employee works from morning to night. Here also from and to. Now he is suffering from fever. From. My mom divided pizza into two parts. Into. The teacher will meet you after the class. So here after. So students, you have to complete all this exercise and read this lesson and learn it.